Hi, TR here. This video is about the third module, the sexual wellness in our course. So, first thing we need to look at once we're on our home page is we scroll down to the message that tells us that there's an exemption form that needs to be submitted by the 5th of July. What does that mean? Well, in the module 3 component of our course, it's broken into two parts. One is the alternative assignment, and that's for children, parents who do not wish for you to participate in the human sexuality course material. Now, the permission form, I'll show you that shortly, must be filled in properly in order for this to proceed. So it works like this. If you are going to participate in the human sexuality course content, you do nothing. It's a default position, and you will be enrolled, or rather you will have access to that course content. If you do not wish to participate and you're 18, you can fill in the form and sign it and submit it to me in the Dropbox, or your parents can fill in the form and sign it, and then you can submit it to me in the same Dropbox for the human sexuality. Now, where are we going to find this information? If we go to the table of content, and the table of contents will appear, and then we find module 1. The third content page in the first module is the sexual wellness notice and exemption form. This is the link to the document that needs to be submitted. Again, it's only submitted if you are not participating in the human sexuality. The form looks like this. We have information from Mr. Weipert, and we discuss the Career and Life Management course, the human sexuality. It's a mandatory component of CALM, and a link to the learning outcomes, and note, July the 5th. Why is that important? Well, let's look at this form first. If you're going to submit the form, both parts must be done. If you're under 17, your parents must click on this box. They must give their name and date. They must give their name and date, right? So they sign it here, and they print it here, and they put your name there, and they put the date. Now, if you are 18 and older, again, you must click the box, and you sign here, right? You put your name here, and then you sign it here, and the date must be before or on the 5th of July. Why? Well, what happens with D2L is, I'm just going to close this. I think that's fairly clear. What happens is when I go into the course and see that you have done nothing, then I instruct D2L to give you access to the course content. Once that course content is in your course, it's in your course, and I cannot remove it. So if you come to me on the 6th of July and say, whoa, Mr. Rousseau, I wasn't paying attention, and here's my exemption form. I don't want to take the human sexuality. Well, it's still in your course because I can't remove it. It's a D2L glitch, and it's completely out of my hands. I will allow you to do the alternative assignment, but remember that content will be in the course. So if your parents look in the course and see the content, it's because you needed to get that information to me before the 5th or on the 5th of July. What are we looking at? If we go to the content pages, Module 3 is about the human sexuality or the sexual wellness. You will see the sexual wellness if you do not do anything by the 5th of July. If you have sent a properly filled out form, you will only see healthy relationships. And the healthy relationships have 8 lessons, plus the alternative assignment, Healthy Relationships. We provide a template. We expect you to use the template and submit the template to the appropriate assignment Dropbox. Now, again, be clear. If you want to do the Healthy Relationships versus the Sexual Wellness, you must submit a form that's checked at the box and signed by your parents if you're under 18. And if you're over 18 or over, you check the box and you sign the form. That way you will not see the Sexual Wellness if you do it before the 5th. If you do it after the 5th, then that content will be there, but I will allow you to do the Healthy Relationships. Any questions or concerns, please use your private discussions, and have a great day. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye now.